Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the pteridophytes. Pteridophytes words comes from the Greek language. This is the combination of two words pteron and phyton. Pteron means feather, phyton means plant. The plant body which have feather-like body. The plant which have feather-like body called pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are the first terrestrial plant which have xylem and phloem in the primitive form. In the primitive form, xylem and phloem present because xylem vessels and companion cells of phloem absent in the pteridophytes. Where found pteridophytes? Pteridophytes found in the cool, damp and sandy areas and also in the xerophytic condition, sandy soil best for the pteridophytes development, for the growth of the pteridophytes. Here some examples of the pteridophytes: Slazinella equisetum, Salvinia and fern. In the pteridophytes, horsetail and ferns come. So in horsetail, if we see Slazinella is the example of horsetail. Horse looking like the tail of the horse. That's why called horsetail. And ferns most abundant in the forest areas. Fern used as ornamental plant. Come to the some special features or some stages that found in the life cycle of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes have two stages in their life cycle. Dominant stage, long lasting stage is the sporophyte stage, and second stage is the gametophyte stage. If we see in the Slazinella, equisetum, salvinia and fern, roots, stem and leaves. True roots, true stem and true leaves present. So this structure is representing of all these plant of this structure represent the sporophyte stage of the pteridophyte. Pteridophytes reproduce by spores. Spores developed in the sporangia. Spores developed in the sporangia, and this leaf-like structure is called sporophyll. And in the sporophyll, spore organs, the organ which form spores called sporangia. Leaf-like structure is the sporophyll. Leaf-like structure is the sporophyll. We can see here, and on the sporophyll, sporangia present, and inside the sporangia, spores form. Inside the sporangia, spores develop. Sometimes spores developed in the strobili or cones, as we see in equisetum. Spores here also developed. Spores developed in the inside the strobilus, that is cone-shaped structure. Spores which developed in the sporangia or on the strobili may be of similar size or may be of dissimilar size. Similar size of spores called homosporous and dissimilar size of spores called heterosporous. Spores produced by the meiosis division, and these spores developed into the gametophyte stage. That gametophyte stage called the prothallus, which are short-lived. These structures from the sporophyte stage, spores form by the process of meiosis, so will be haploid, and these spores grown into the gametophyte stage. This gametophyte stage also known as prothallus, and this prothallus or gametophyte stage where male sex organ, female sex organ, male sex organ called antheridia and female sex organ called archegonia, and by the fusion of zygote form which becomes diploid, and by the development of this zygote through the stage of embryonic stages developed into the sporophyte stage, and shows the life cycle of pteridophytes represent the alternation of generation. Sporophyte stage, then gametophyte, then sporophyte, and then goes to the gametophyte stage in their life cycle. Uses of the pteridophytes. Pteridophytes used as medicine, used as food. Pteridophytes also used in homeopathic medicine and in Ayurvedic, used to prevent the soil erosion. Some pteridophytes, for example, equisetum. Special features of equisetum is grown abundant in gold deposited soil, so known as gold indicator. Equisetum. Some pteridophytes, for example, Marsilia, used by the tribal peoples in some part of the India, as in some part of Himachal Pradesh of and also in some areas of the Madhya Pradesh, tribal people use Marsilia as food. Used as ornamental plant, these pteridophytes. So this is about the pteridophytes.